In 2019, if anybody asked me that, bro, I want to replace my laptop with my iPad, my answer would be no. Because iPad doesn't have the capability of replacing a laptop for day-to-day usage. It's not like that they don't have the hardware capability, they have, but the software is not enough. And I have major problems with iPad software, but in WWDC 2019, Apple have announced some of the major improvement in the OS and they renamed it by iPadOS. And I think right now, if anybody asks me that, bro, I want to change my laptop or replace my laptop with my iPad, my answer would be yeah, do it. So if you want to know why I changed my mind, so make sure you watch the video till the end and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Well, what are my problems? Well, iPad doesn't support a desktop class website. They don't. You can't connect a external storage device, although the latest one has a type C port. There is not the capability. Then there is no mouse support. It is a huge display. Most of the iPad has a big screen real estate, but the OS doesn't use that screen real estate. The multitasking capabilities are not there, and there are a buttloads of stuff which I don't like about previous iPads or previous iPad OS. But everything is going to change because after the update, Safari will support all desktop class website. It means you can use properly Google Docs or Sheets or any kind of a website where the full capability unlocks if you have the desktop version of that. So Safari will support the desktop version. That's solve the 50% of the problem. Then you have mouse support. You can connect external storage device, and at the same time you have a download manager right now, and also the file manager is improved by a lot. And there is a new gesture navigation system where you can use 1 finger, 2 finger, 3 finger and 4 finger kind of, and they work very differently from each and other. So if you want to know more about the gesture navigation system, I will link down a video from Verge where they explain the gesture navigation system pretty wonderfully. Right now there is a floating window type capability where you can float any other app onto another app, and also you can open a app separately in 2 windows where you can use them creatively. I say, like, you can use notepads in 2 windows where one is like all the notes you have taken from class, and another where you are shortening those notes or whatever. You could find creative ways. I don't have to tell you how to use that, but the feature is must needed. So definitely, if you want to replace your iPad with your laptop, do it. But there is a major problem, and that is the price. iPads are not cheap, but they are cheaper than their iPhone counterparts. If you have a already existing iPad, so go for it. But if you don't, I will suggest you think twice, because at the price of $800 or $1,000, you can get pretty capable laptops with pretty portable options. So it depends on you, but there are my thoughts about the new iPadOS and why I think that iPad definitely is going to be change how we know computers. So like the video, and want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. And this is Akash, and I will catch you guys later.